Compared to earlier versions, the 2025 Tiguan L Pro reflects a significant evolution in design and technology. The latest model features a more aggressive front fascia, a redesigned rear end, and improved aerodynamics, enhancing both aesthetics and fuel efficiency. In addition to the increased cabin space, the 2025 model also addresses previous criticisms about the infotainment system, offering a more intuitive interface and better connectivity options. Notably, the new model sports slightly larger dimensions compared to previous iterations, allowing for more cabin space and cargo capacity. The Tiguan L Pro is available in a variety of attractive colors, and the option for larger alloy wheels enhances its visual appeal. Roof rails and a panoramic sunroof further contribute to its premium look, catering to those who enjoy outdoor adventures or simply want to enjoy a spacious feeling within the cabin. Moreover, the enhanced safety suite includes new driver assistance technologies that were not prevalent in earlier models, cementing the Tiguan L Pro's position as a leader in the compact SUV segment. Under the hood, the 2025 Tiguan L Pro is powered by a robust 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering 184 horsepower and 221 lb-ft of torque. This engine provides a balance of spirited performance and fuel efficiency, making it ideal for both city driving and highway cruising. Inside, the 2025 Tiguan L Pro is nothing short of luxurious. The cabin is thoughtfully designed, featuring high-quality materials and a sleek layout. It can comfortably accommodate up to 7 passengers thanks to its 3-row seating arrangement, which is a standout feature in the compact SUV category. One of the most impressive aspects of the Tiguan L Pro is its technological advancements. The SUV is equipped with the latest Volkswagen infotainment system, which includes an expansive touchscreen display, smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium sound system. The digital cockpit adds a modern twist, offering customizable displays for performance metrics and navigation. A noteworthy enhancement in this model is the introduction of all-wheel drive options, adding versatility for various driving conditions, whether it's inclement weather or off-road adventures.